week, all next week, only on the Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8s.
A flood watch and a tornado watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently in our area, 61 degrees with a thunderstorm. Our local Doppler radar. The week ahead.
National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for northern Calhoun County in south-central Michigan, southeastern Eaton County in south-central Michigan, southwestern Ingham County in south-central Michigan, western Jackson County in south-central Michigan, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Battle Creek and moving east at 25 miles per hour. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Springport, Concord, Leslie, Marshall, Albion, Tompkins, Sandstone, Rives Junction, Spring Harbor, Parma, Kinville, Onondaga, Brookfield, Converse Township, Lee Township, Babcock, Ceresco, Berryville. Yes.eq.yes precautionary/preparedness actions. Tornadoes are difficult to see at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday morning for southwestern Michigan.
So the sisters had the boys come into the girls' dormitory because it was the newer and stronger of the two.
Just after 10 a.m., the Galveston Weather Bureau gets a telegram from Washington predicting that the wind direction will change from northwest to northeast. Joseph Klein fires off a quick response, reporting heavy rain, thunderstorm clouds.